Pour liquid fabric softener over 3 candles. Most people don't know this trick. I'll show you how everyday products can be transformed into something completely different. You'll need white candles. Even broken ones can be used for this. This way, you repurpose them into something valuable. Take a pan and place the candles inside. Heat the pan until the candles melt completely. Once melted, use tongs to remove the wicks. Next, take a small glass container and pour in the melted wax. Add liquid fabric softener and a few cloves. Cloves have aromatic properties and are commonly used in aromatherapy for relaxation and mood enhancement. Finally, place a wick into the container, holding it in place with a long toothpick to prevent it from sinking. Once the wax hardens, remove the toothpick. Light the candle, and it's ready to use. Place it in a room where you spend the most time. This natural candle will fill your home with a beautiful fragrance and help keep unwanted insects away.